Hello, let's continue to practical. Up to now we discussed about the theory, and let's install the Docker installation. So actually the Docker, it's like it will available in the Docker website. We have to install the toolbox and the Docker engine file. So let's wait. We can check in the Docker website. Docker for Windows. We can download for whole Windows, Linux, and the Mac operating system. Right now I am installing only in Windows. So here is the option. If we are clicking this one, we can install the Docker file. So everything will be in the Docker for Mac or Windows, or every product will have the some kind of file. So here we have the containers ID and everything. So in order to this one, I already downloaded this one. So I will show. These are the two icons. After downloading, we can get that two installation files. It is the quick start terminal. It is nothing but a CLI interface. It is the kinematic graphical user interface. So first we can open the quick start terminal. So here it will open the interactive shell, which is configured IP already. It is kind of a private IP address. So let's see whether what is the basic commands which one which can see. It is pretty easy to install the Docker in Windows, Mac, and Linux. So for example, Docker hyphen version. So here we are. We can see the version. So Docker PS, it's a containers, a list of the containers. And what about the Docker images? Here is the images list out and everything. So if, like for example, if we want to pull some kind of normal image from that Docker repository, which we can download the certain image from the repository. Here the basic, I am going to pull some hello world image from the Docker hub. So here we can see Docker run hello world. Here, yeah, enter. So it will pull the latest image from the Docker repository. After pulling this one, we can see directly from the Docker repository hello world image. So here kinematic is the another tool which we can get that the same image from the GUI mode. It will open, one second. Here the in CLI mode we already downloaded from the Docker. Here the message showed the installation appeared working correctly. So that for it's like, for example, if we already installed that this one, for example, if we like no enter into Ubuntu bash or something, Linux or Debian, some kind of varieties bash shell. So for example, I want to pull the Ubuntu image. Docker run IT is nothing but interactive TTY terminal session. So it's kind of like shortcut. That's Ubuntu here. So it pulls the latest image from that Docker image. See, it is kind of a kinematic too. Here I am already installed the here I got logged into the Docker registration. So I am entering the password which we can get the Docker hub. See here the Ubuntu is the installing. So for example, the Ubuntu is just normally it's kind of like GBs. It's a very lightweight. The Docker is pulling only the 47 MB of the Ubuntu image. So it's very lightweight Docker MB material. So it's very useful to the everything to this. So here Docker images, recommended, my repos, my images, all. Like, see here the certain kinds of graphical images which we can already seen this one. So for example, if we are pulling this kinematic image from the nginx, it will connect to that cloud, it will connect to the Docker hub, and it will automatically install into the graphical user interface mode. Here we are. And it will take some amount of time. After completing, it will shows. It is pulling from the library, from the Ubuntu package. So after installing the Ubuntu, we can use the like a basic usage like in a terminal, like such a commands like a process states, like ls, ll, everything, like a top usage command, everything we can as we are working in CLI mode, same thing we can work into that Ubuntu here also. So there is nothing at all the problem to use the containers and image flow. Here see, we can see it is in the root mesh. Wait, I will check a font. Okay, here, sorry, it is not changing. Okay, here for example, here ll, if it will automatically take that this one, and ls, here the list of the files, and if you want to check the ps hyphen elf, it is the TTY sessions, and again that's it. So the same thing, it will work as a same the root user. So here again we are came for the bash, and let's see what are the containers which we can list out. See, already we have installed the hello world nginx kinematics. So here is the port number. One second, I will maximize. Okay, here the port numbers and port number and the default IP, it is the source and the destination, and whereas it is the container ID which we can this is the image we can which we already pull from the Docker hub. So let's check it is working into that in our web portal. Sorry, here we are. 32768, here 192, 168, 99, 100, 32. One second, hold on, I forgot. 32768 here, sorry. See, here the case on nginx container is running. So the same index file which is already in the desktop, so we can edit this one. Okay, wait, I will change this format into notepad file. Notepad editor here. Okay, let's change already this one here, and which we already download this one into here, where settings, volumes, website files. It will I will change that file into that certain name. Okay, it already I have got the index file which is already here. So I already predefinedly designed one website in HTML. I will copy and I'll paste it here, so automatically it will change appears. So let's try. Hold on, I will have to change to whatever, maybe it is Orosh 327 and 80. Okay, save. So here change. Let's try once. Yes, here it is. So the whatever may be changed, we can easily, we can the developer easy can develop their code and easily can execute in the Docker environment. So it is very useful to the developers as well as system admins. So there is a robust using the Docker utilities. So here is the some example. So I will do some kind of next practical session for the sessions for the presentation, but not in Windows. I will make sure in Linux. Thank you.